This job was something we see almost every day at Superior Plumbing and Heating. It was a classic case of a clogged sink. The customer had been pouring all sorts of things down the drain, until it eventually clogged. Here's how we fixed it. Why it happened. The customer called us after their sink had almost given up, with water not draining properly for weeks. By the time we arrived, the water was completely backing up. The homeowner tried everything: a plunger, chemical drain cleaner down the drain, and almost every possible hack, but it didn't get any better. It probably clogged because of cooking grease, coffee grounds, or other food particles that accumulated, forming a thick blockage that solidified over time. Then there are mineral deposits from hard water. All these elements are layered and compounded until the pipe that used to be 2 inches is now barely half an inch. How we fixed it. We usually start off by locating the cleanout access and running a camera scope if needed. But in this case, we could tell from the symptoms where the problem sits. Slow drainage means a partial blockage, whereas a complete backup means it's solid. We used a drain snake first to see if we could push it down. We fed the cable down the line, and once it hit the resistance, we rotated and pushed it to break through the outer layer of the clog. Sometimes that's enough, and the water starts moving. But in this case, it wasn't. So we had to bring out the hydrojet. The hydrojet delivered high-pressure water through a specialized nozzle designed to scour pipe walls clean. We threaded it down to the blockage and released 3,000 pounds per square inch of focused pressure. Unlike the drain snake, the hydrojet didn't just push the clog forward, it obliterated it. Grease, soap, sediment, everything that had been clinging to the inside of that pipe for years got flushed out completely, basically leaving the customer with a brand new pipe. After the hydrojet did its job, we ran the snake through once more. This cleared any loose debris that the water pressure dislodged, but didn't really flush it away. That's all for today. Has this ever happened to you? Comment below.